Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with glue and activator, and it's really easy. So, you're going to need glue, and activator. So, first you're going to pour in your glue. So, just pour in your glue. So, now if you want, you can add some food coloring or paint. I'm using acrylic paint. I'm choosing this blue color because I really like it. So, you're just gonna pour it in. I'm just pouring a little bit in. Now, you're just gonna stir it. So just stir it. Stir it until all the blue, yeah. So now, you're gonna pour some activator. You're gonna pour 2 spoons of it. If you want, you can pour a little bit more. And then you're gonna mix. Mix until it turns out to be like a thickened up kind of mixture. And then after, you're gonna feel it with your hands. And then it should be slime. And it should look like this. And now, if you want, you can pour some glitter in. You can pour any color you want. I used the red because I thought it would match in with the blue really good. This is so fun. So now, if you want, you can add some beads in it. I'm just doing it because I thought it'd be a little fun. And now, I'm just gonna make bubbles. Whoa! Did you fart? Oh, I love to do this. Blop. Whoa. This is so fun. Wow. Wait, can you see me? Hello. Oh. Oh. It popped. Whoa. thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Bye!
Meow.